Next topic we are going to see is code converters. So what is code converter? Code converter is a combinational circuit which converts one code into another code. So it is a combinational circuit which converts one code into another code. So in a digital system there is a wide variety of binary code we are using. So some of the codes are BCD, XS3, gray, and so on. So many times it is required to convert one code to another. So for that purpose, we are using this code converters. So in many times it is required to convert one code to another. So we are going for code converters. So first is design of various code converters. So in this design, first we are going to see binary to BCD code converter, then BCD to binary code converter, then BCD to XS3 code converter, and XS3 to BCD code converter, then binary to gray code converter, then gray to binary code converter, then BCD to gray code converters. These types of code converters we are going to see. So first is binary to BCD code converter. So first we are going to see binary to BCD. So first before going to binary binary to BCD code converter, we have to see something from 0 to 9. Both binary and the BCD are same. So both are same. From 0 to 9, both are same. For 10, in binary is 1010. It is in binary. In BCD, you have to represent each number by 4 bits. So you'll be getting 0000, then 0001. So this is a representation of 10 in binary, and this is a representation of 10 in BCD. Okay. So now we are going for truth table. So here first is binary to BCD code converter. So first what we are doing is, first we must know how many columns we need for the to draw this truth table. So in binary we are going to write from 0 to 15. So we need 4 columns, that is 4 variables A, B, C, D. Similarly, the in BCD the value of 15 is 0001. Now for in BCD the value of 15 is 0001 0101. So in binary first we are writing from 0 to 15. So by using 4 bits, so 0000 is 0 and 1111 is 15. So this is in binary. So binary. Then we have to write BCD. So the BCD of 15 is 0001 0101. So the MSB and the next 2 bits of which this BCD is 000. So we are neglecting these 3 bits and we are considering only this 5 bits. From the LSB, we are considering only the 5 bits. So in binary, you are having 4 bits. In this BCD, you are having 5 bits. Totally, your truth table is having 9 columns. Okay, your truth table is having 9 columns. So first, what you are doing is, first this is the binary input code and BCD output code. Then we are writing the binary. For binary, we have used the variables A, B, C, and D. Then we have start writing from 0 to 15. by using 8421 code, we are start writing from 0 to 15. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Similarly, we have start writing. First, we are going to write from 0 to 15 in binary. In binary, we have written from 0 to 15. We have written. Now, next, I already told you that for BCD code from 0 to 9, both BCD and binary are same. For from 0 to 9, BCD and binary are same. So now you don't consider this bit B4. You use B3, B2, B1 and B0. Then you start writing from 0 to 9. So start writing from 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So by using the bits B3, B2, B1, B0, we have written from 0 to 9. Then in the place of B4, you put 0. You have to put 0 in the place of B4 from 0 to 9. Okay. Then what you have to do means again after 9, you have to start writing from 0 to 5. 5 is 101. 101. Here also 0. Then in the place of B4, you put 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the way of writing the truth table. So first we have to left the bit B4 free. Then by using the columns B0, B1, B2, B3, you have to write, start writing from 0 to 9. After writing from 0 to 9, you put zeros in the place of B4 up to 9. Then again in B3, B2, B1, B1, B0, you start writing from 0 to 5. Then you put 1 in the place of B4. So now the truth table is over. Now here this truth table is having 4 inputs and 5 outputs. Already I have told you that input represents how much variable map we have to draw, and output represents how many K maps we have to draw. So in this problem, since we are having 4 inputs and 5 outputs, we have to draw 5 4 variable maps. So one for B4, another one for B3, another one for B2, another one for B1, another one for B0. Here the input variable is A, B, C, D. Now we are going for the K map. So first B4. So this sorry. First we are going for B0. So we are going for the K map of B0. So what we are doing is we are checking the column of B0, and wherever we are having 1 in that particular place, we are plotting ones. So by verifying the column of B0 in the corresponding place, we are plotting ones, then we are grouping. For this grouping, we have considered these 4 rows and these 2 columns. In these 4 rows, the value of A and B is changing. Only the value of D is not changing here. So the expression is B0 is equal to D. Similarly, we are checking the column of B1 and we are plotting the corresponding ones and we are grouping. And the expression is B1 is equal to ABC bar The expression for this one is A, B, C bar. Expression for this one is A bar, C. Okay, next similarly for B2. Similarly for B2, from taking the column of B2, mapping the corresponding one, after grouping we are writing the expression. So after the expression is A bar B plus BC. For this one, this is A bar B, and for this one B C. Okay. Similarly, next to B3. So we are plotting the ones and we are grouping. The expression is A B bar C. Then for B bar, similarly we are looking the column of B4. Then we are plotting and then grouping, and we are writing the expression. This is A B. And for this one is A C. Then we are going for the logic diagram. So from the given expressions of A, B, C and D, we are drawing this logic diagram. Okay. From this the A, B, C, D are the inputs, and B0, B1, B2, B3, B4 are the outputs. So we are drawn the logic diagram. So next problem is BCD to binary converter. So in the previous problem we have seen binary to BCD converter. So in the previous two table, first we are having binary, then next we are having BCD. But here first we have to write the BCD, and then we have to write the binary. So next to truth table, this is a truth table. So in this BCD to binary code converter, we must know how many columns we need in the truth table. So for to write the BCD, we need 5 columns. So for BCD we need 5 columns, and for binary we need 5 columns. Totally 10 columns. But in the case of binary to BCD, we used to only 9 columns. The binary we have written only from 0 to 15. Here not like that. Okay, so here first of all you need 10 columns, 5 for BCD and 5 for binary. First I will tell how to write the binary BCD code. So first you leave this column B4 free. Then you start writing from 0 to you start writing from 0 to 9. So we have written up to 9. Then you put zeros in the place of B4. Okay, then you put zeros in the place of B4. Again, you start writing from 0 to 9, and you put 1 in the place of B4. What you have to do? First, you have to leave B4 free, and then you start writing from 0 to 9 by using this B4, B3, B2, B1, B0. Then you put 0 in the place of B4 up to 9. Again you start writing 0 to 9. Then you put 1 in the place of B4. Now our BCD code is over. Now I will tell how to write the binary code. First you left this column A free. Then by using this column B, C, D and E, you start writing from 0 to 15. So what you have to do? First you have to leave this column A free. Then you have to start writing from 0 to 15 by using the column B, C, D and E. So we have written from 0 to 15 by using the columns B, C, D and E. After that you have to put zeros in the place of A from 0 to 15. Now we have written the number 0 to 15 in binary by using 5 bits. Okay. Now we have written the number 0 to 15 by using 5 bits. Next we have to write 16. 16 means Next again, by using the columns B, C, D and E, you start writing from 0 to 3. Then you put 1 in, then we have written from 0 to 3. By using the bits B, C and D and B, C, D and E, we have written from 0 to 3. So after that, we have put 1 in the place of A. So this is the truth table of your BCD to binary. Totally, we are having 10 columns and we have to write the BCD code first and then binary code. I have told how to write the codes. Then here you are having 5 input variables and 5 output variables. So you have to draw 5 variable maps. For BCD to binary converter, you have to draw 5 variable maps. Okay. So first we have to, for A, you have to check the column of A. Wherever you are having 1, in that corresponding map, you have to plot, then group, and you have to find the expression. Similarly, in the B, you have to find uh, wherever you are having ones in that corresponding input, you have to put 1 in the place of K map, then you have to uh, group, then you have to find the expression. Similarly for D, E, for C, D and E. But another thing is, in here in BCD, here you are having 5 input variables. So if you are having 5 input variables, then you must have 32 combinations. That is from 0 to 31. But here you are not used all the states. Some of the state is unused states. So here this is 0 to 9. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. From 0 to 9 and from 16 to uh, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have used. For all others, we have not used. So it is unused state. For unused state, you have to put don't cares. So next you can go for K map. So this is a K map for K map for A. So first variable we have to draw 5 variable K map. First we have we are going to take the K map for A. So here the variables are B4, B3, B2, B1 and B0. So for the first map, B0, B4 equal to 0 and B4 equal to 1. Here the variables are B3, B2, B1 and B0. Here 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the used state. Similarly here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. These are the used state. And the unused states are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 20, 6, 27, 28, 29, 31, 30. These are the unused state. For the unused state, we have to put down cares in all the maps. So these are the unused state. So these are the unused state, and these for these unused states we have to put don't cares. Okay. Now after that we are plotting the ones. So 4 ones we are having and we have plotted. So we are having one in this place and this place. So we are grouping like this. Okay. So for this, actually this group is present only in the second map. Similarly, this group is present only in the second map. For this group, the expression is B3 and it is present in the B4. So B4, B3 expression for the first group. because this group is present only in this map, so you have to consider B4. So we have considered B4, and the expression for this group is B3. Similarly, for this group, the expression is B2, B1, and it is present only in the first map, so you have to consider B4. So B3, B4 plus B4, B2, B1. Next, we are going for B. First, we have drawn it for A, next for B. So these are the group. We are going to group. We have to check whether we are having similar one. So we are not having similar ones. So for this group, and this group is only present in this B4 map, B4 bar map. So we have to consider B4 bar, and the expression is B3. So B3, B4 bar. So next for this one, the expression is B3 bar, B2 bar, and it is present in B4. So B3 bar, B4, B3 bar, B2 bar. B3 bar, B2 bar. Next for this one, B3 bar, B1 bar, and it is present only in this map, so B4. So next we are going for the K map for C. So we have plotted the ones, and we have to group. So first, this is the first grouping. We are having ones in the similar places. So we can take this as common. The expression for this is nothing but B2, B1 bar. B2, B1 bar. Okay. Next, it is present only in this map. The expression for this one is B2, B4 bar for this one. Next, we are having this one. You can group like this. This is present only in this map. B4 is equal to 1. So we have to consider this B4. Then the expression for it is B2 bar, B1. Okay. Next for D, we have plotted, and we have to group. So these two are placed in different places. This is in this position, and this is in the first position. This group is present only in the first, so we have to consider B4 bar. So you have to consider B4 bar, and the expression for this one is B1. Similarly, for this one, you have to consider B4. The expression is B1 bar. So this expression is similar to X NOR. So we can write it as B1 X NOR B4. The simplification will be helpful while implementation. Okay. So if you want to implement this, you need two AND gates and one OR gate. So if you implement this one directly, you need only one XOR gate. Next, K map for E. So you are having one in the same places. So the expression is E equal to B naught. Okay. Now you have found out the expressions by using K map. Now we are going for the implementation. So this is the implementation of this BCD to binary code converter. Next one is BCD to XS3 code converter. So XS3 is a modified form of BCD number. If you add 3 with the BCD number, you will be getting XS3. Okay. Now this is a truth table of your XS3 to binary, BCD to XS3 code converter. First step is your truth table needs, you have to check how many columns your truth table needs. Here your truth table needs 8 columns, 4 for writing BCD and 4 for writing XS3. So how to write the BCD? So you know that BCD numbers are from 0 to 9. So in the column of B3, B2, B1 and B0, you start writing from 0 to 9. So you have to write from 0 to 9. So how you will get XS3? XS3 is nothing but BCD plus 3. So 0 plus 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the first number of XS3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 2 plus 3, that is 5. 0, 1, 0, 0. Then you take 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. Similarly, 9 plus 3, 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. So we have written BCD as well as XS3. So BCD is the input and the XS3 is the output. Okay. BCD is the input code and XS3 is the output code. Next, we are going for implementation. So here you are having 4 inputs and 4 outputs. So you have to draw 4 variable K-map. Now in this input you have used only 9 combination. If you are having 4 variables, you will be having 15 combinations, and out of that 15 combination you have used only 9 combination. For 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 you have to put don't cares in your map. So first you will be drawing the K-map for E3. If you want to draw the K-map for E3, then you have to check the column of E3 wherever you are having 1. For that corresponding input in the K-map you have to put 1. Then you have to plot, then you have to group, and then you have to find the expression. Similarly for E2, you have to check the column of E2. If you are having 1 here, the corresponding input is 0, 0, 0, 1. So in the place of 0, 0, 0, 1, you have to put 1. Similarly, here you are having 1. That is 0, 0, 1, 0, you are having 1. So in the corresponding places, you have to put 1, then you have to group, then you have to find the expression. So this is a K-map for E3. Already I have told you that from 10 to 15, you have to put don't cares. From 10 to 15, you have to put don't cares. Now, these are the ones we are grouping and we are writing the expression. These are the 3 groupings. So these are the 3 groupings. For these 3 groupings, we are writing the expression. For this one, for this 8 ones, it is B3. For this squared, it is B2, B0. For this squared, it is B2. For this squared, it is B2, B0. And for this squared, it is B2, B1. So we are taking B2 common from those 2 expressions. We will be getting B0 plus B1. So next we are going to go for the KMF for E2. We have grouped the ones, then we are going for grouping. So these are the 3 groups what we are getting. The expression for this one is B2, B1 bar, B0 bar. For this one, B2 bar, B0. For this one, B2 bar, B1. So from that we have taken B2 bar common. So we are getting B0 plus B1. For next for E1 we have written, we have plotted, and we are going for grouping, getting 2 parts. Expression is B1 bar, B0 bar, then B1, B0. This can be implemented by using XNOR gate. This expression is similar to XNOR gate. So we are implementing by using XNOR gate. Next we have plotted for E0. So these are the 2 groups. The expression what we are getting is E0 is equal to B0 bar. Then we are going for implementation. So this is the implementation of um, BCD to XS3 code converter. So XNOR gate, for E1 we are getting the expression in XNOR. So we have drawn like this. Okay. So this is a implementation of BCD to XS3 code converter. Next is XS3 to BCD code converter. So here also your truth table will be having 8 columns. The first you have to write the XS3, then you have to write the binary. So you know that the first number of your it is better to write the output first. So you write from 0 to 9. So it is nothing but So it is better to write the BCD output first. That is from 0 to 9. So you write 0 to 9 first. Then we have to write the XS3. So first you write the BCD from 0 to 9. Then you write the XS3 up to 12. So your table it is going. So okay, this is your table. So you have to write from first you have to write from 0 to 9. Then XS3 you have to write from 3 to 12. So the XS3 of 9 is nothing but 12. So we have completed the truth table. So we are converting from XS3 to BCD. Next we are going for K-map. So in the truth table we know that we are having 4 inputs and 4 outputs. So we have to draw 4 variable K-map. So be careful while doing this problem. Here you are used to only the decimal value of this XS3 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For 0, 1, 2. Similarly, for 13, 14, 15, you have to put don't cares because if you're having 4 combination, you'll be getting 15, no, 4 variables, you'll be getting 15 combination. Of these 15 combination, you are not used all the combination and some combination are unused. Unused combination of 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So these are the unused combination. So for the unused combination, you have to put don't cares in the K map. So first you have to take the column of B3 wherever you are having 1, you have to plot, you have to group, then you have to find the expression. Similarly for B2, B1 and B0. So we have plotted the ones and for unused states we have put don't cares. Then the expression for B0 is E0. Then for B1 we have grouped like this and the expression is E1, E1 bar, E0, E1, E0 bar. So it is this expression is similar to the expression of X OR gate. So we have written it as E1 XOR E0. So next one is for B2. We have plotted, we have grouped. So for this group, the expression is E2 bar, E1 bar. For this one, E2, E1, E0. For this one, E3, E1, E0 bar. Okay. Similarly for B3. So we have plotted and we have grouped and we have got the expression. So after getting the expression, we have implemented. Okay, we have implemented the circuit. Okay, next binary to gray code converter. So binary is the input and gray code is the output. So in order to write the gray code, in order to go for the code converter, first of all you must know how to write the code, gray code, easy way to write the gray code. First what you have to do means first you have to write a 0, then you have to put a first you have to write 0, then 1, then you have to put a line, then you have to put you have to put a line and you have to take the mirror image of this one. Mirror image of this one is 1 0. Then you have to put zeros above the line, then you have to put 1 below the line. So you will be getting 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So again you have to put a line and you have to take the mirror image. So you will be getting 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. You have to put zeros up to this line and below that line you have to put 1. Okay. Then again you have to put a line, then you have to take the mirror image and above this line you have to put zeros and below this line you have to put 1. So thus we have got a 4-bit gray code. So once again I will tell, first you have to write a 0, then you have to write 1, then you have to take the mirror image, that is 1 0. Above this line you have to put 0, below the line you put 1. So again you put that, take the mirror image, 1 0, 1 1, 0 1, 0 0. Above this line you put a 0, below this line you put 1. Again you put mirror image, you take the mirror image, 1 0 1. Similarly, then above this line you put zeros, below this line you put 1. So you'll be getting the gray code. So next is truth table, binary to gray. So first you have to your truth table will be having 8 columns, 4 for binary and 4 for gray. So first you have to, by using 8421 code, you have to write from 0 to 15, 111, you have to write by using 8421. By using 8421, you have to start writing from 0 to 15. Then I have told you how to write the gray code. So you copy that gray code here. So this is the gray code. So in the previous slide, I have told you how to write the gray code. This is the gray code. So this gray code you write in the columns of gray code. Okay. Now you have got the gray code, and we have written the binary input and the gray code output. After that, here we are having four. Here we are having 4 inputs A, B, C, D, and 4 outputs G3, G2, G1, and G0. So the input indicates how much variable map we have to draw, and output represent how many maps we have to draw. So since we are having 4 outputs, we have to draw 4 variable K map. So this is a map for G0. So we have plotted the corresponding ones. Then we have grouped and we have got the expression as C bar D plus C D bar. It is, the expression is similar to XOR gate, so we have written as C XOR D. Similarly for G1, we have plotted and we have grouped, so we have got the expression as B C bar plus B bar C. Then we have written in XOR. Similarly for G2, we have plotted, we have grouped, and we got the expression. Then for G3, we have plotted and we got the expression as G3 equal to A. Then we have gone for the implementation. So by using XNOR gates, we have implemented the XNOR expressions. So this is a logic diagram of our binary to gray code converter. Next is gray to binary code converter. So first you have to write gray, then we have to write binary. So first we have to write gray, then we have to write in this gray to binary code converter. While plotting, be careful. You take the binary values and you correct and you plot correspondingly. If you are going for is A, you take like this 1 0 0 0. So in the place of 1 0 0 0, you put 1. Similarly, next one is 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1, you put 1. So you take the binary values and you plot. Don't take the decimal values, because here the decimal values will change. Here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2, then 3. It is not in, then 3, then 4. So in gray code to binary code, you must be careful while plotting. Here the values, decimal values will change. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2, then this is 6, This is 7. Next one 5. Then 4. Then 12. Then 13. Then 15. Then 14. Then 10. Then 11. Then 9. And the last one is 8. So if you are, these are the decimal values. So similar to the previous one, in binary and all, it will come in order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 15. But here it is varying. So keep important. If gray code to binary code converter is coming, while plotting, be careful. So for this one, where you have to plot means in 12 you have to plot. For this one, where you have to plot is 13 you have to plot. The 4 variable k map. So while giving decimal value 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, then 8, 9, 11, 10, then 12, 13, 15, 14. So you have to plot correctly. So the next one I will tell. So, or it is better to plot like this. If you plot like this, no problem will be happening. 1, 1, 0, 0. For 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. For 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. No problem will be coming. For similarly for the next one. For this one, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. If you plot like this, no problem. If not, you write the decimal correctly, then you plot. So after plotting, you group, then you get the expression. For next one, for B, you have plotted and you got the expression of G3 bar G2 plus G3 G3. This expression is similar to XR. So we have written by using X OR gate. Next, we have plotted for C and we have written the expression. So after writing the expression, we are taking common terms. From the first two terms, we are taking G1 common. From the second and from the third and fourth, we are taking G1 bar common. So then this G3 bar G2 plus G3 G2 is nothing but X NOR, and this is nothing but XOR. So this is X NOR and this is XOR. So this X NOR can be written as G3. This is the expression. These two are same expression. So again, this is in the form of XOR. So we are writing it as G3 XOR G2 XOR G1. Then we are going for D. Similarly, here also you have to group it individually and you have to take the common terms and you have to. So this is a expression, and from the first two terms, this expression for this one is G3 bar G2 bar G1 bar G0. So we have to write, we have written all the expression individually, and from the first two expression I have taken G1 bar G0 bar common. From the third and fourth I have taken G1 bar G0 common, and from fifth and sixth I have taken G1 G0 common, and from seventh and eighth I have taken G1 G0 bar common. Next, this D3 bar G2 plus D3 G2 bar is nothing but G3 XOR G2. Similarly, G3 bar G2 bar plus G3 G2 is nothing but G3 XNOR G2. Similarly, this is XOR and this is XNOR. Then I am taking XOR terms common. So first I am implementing for this one XOR and for this one XNOR. Then I am taking XOR common. Now we are going for the D. So we are checking the column of D. Then we are plotting the corresponding ones and we are grouping. So here we are unable to group the ones. All there is no adjacent ones, so we can't group. So we want to group it individually and we have to write the expression. So the expression for this one is G2 bar, G3 bar, G2 bar, G1 bar G0, and for this one G3 bar G2 bar G1 G0 bar, and for this one G3 bar G2 G1 bar G0 bar. For this one G3 bar G2 G1 G0, and for the next one G3 G2 G1 bar G0, and for this one G3 G2 G1 G0 bar, and for this one G3 G2 bar G1 bar G0 bar, and for this one G3 G2 bar G1 G0. So after writing this expression individually, I am taking G1 bar G2 bar common from the first two terms, and I am taking G1 bar G0 common from the third and fourth. Then I am taking G1 G0 from fifth and sixth, and G1 G0 bar from seventh and eighth. So when I am taking G1 bar G0 bar common from the second and first and second, I will be getting G3 bar G2 plus G3 bar, so G3 G2 bar. Similarly, when I am taking G1 bar G0 common from third and fourth, I am getting G3 bar G2 bar plus G3 G2. Similarly, when I am taking G1 G0 common from fifth and sixth, I am getting G3 bar G2 plus G3 G2 bar. Similarly, when I am getting taking G1 G0 bar common, I am getting G3 bar G2 bar plus G3 G2. This G3 bar G2 plus G3 G2 bar is similar. This expression is similar to the expression of XOR. So I am replacing this by XOR, and this expression is similar to XNOR. So I am writing it as G3 XNOR G2. Similarly, this one similar to XOR. I am replacing it by XOR, and I am replacing this by XNOR. So I have replaced this equation by XOR and XNOR. Then I am taking G3 XOR G2. So two terms are having G3 XOR G2. So here and here. So while taking G3 XOR G2 common, I will be getting G1 bar G0 bar plus G1 G0. Similarly, when I am taking G3 XOR G2 common, I will be getting G1 bar G0 plus G1 G0 bar. So again, this is similar to XNOR, and this is similar to XOR. So I am writing it as XOR and XNOR. So again, this is A B bar plus A bar B. This expression is again in the form of XOR. So I am writing it as G3 XOR G2 XOR G1 XOR G0. So I got the expression for D. After that, I am going for implementation. This is the implementation of gray to binary. Okay. So in this particular problem, you should be careful while plotting the expression, and similarly while minimizing the expression for D and all, be careful and get the results. Now I am going for BCD to gray code converter. So BCD means we will be having from only 0 to 9. Okay. So first you need four columns for input BCD and four columns for output gray. So truth table, first we are writing the BCD code from 0 to 9, and by the technique I have told how to write the gray code. You write the gray code, then you copy the first 9 terms of that 4-bit gray code and copy here. Okay, first you write the BCD from 0 to 9 by using 8421. Then you write the gray code by using the technique, that is writing 0 1. Then you taking the mirror image, then putting 0 above the line and 1 below the line. Again taking the uh, mirror image and putting zeros above the line and below the line. Similarly, you get the 4-bit gray code and you write only the first 9. Okay, because in the here BCD we are considering from only 0 to 9. Then you have to, here you are having 4 inputs and 4 outputs. So you have to draw 4 variable K maps. Okay. So here for this input we are taking from only, considering only the states from 0 to 9. So when you take the decimal value of this 1, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, you put don't cares. So this is the map for G naught. We are checking the column of G naught. We are plotting once, and for unused state, we have put don't cares, and we have grouped. So this is the grouping, and we have got the expression as B1 bar B naught plus B1 B naught bar. So we are getting B1 XOR B naught. These are the two groupings. Next for G1. So these are the two groupings. After grouping, we are writing the expression. Next for G2. Then we are drawing the logic diagram for the expression what you got.